honk it! Oh. Yeah. They're all honking. Yeah. Yeah. We've got like 20 to honk at us. Run. Go on guys, walk and see if we can get more. How do we get more, man? I fucking recorded this, man. Hey, honk, go on. Ah. Can you honk it? Oh. Honk it. Oh. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Yeah, and then he made someone else horn. Oh. Oh. That's a taxi, no. Yeah. 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 Who was that? Yeah. That was so sad. Oh. I'm loving this, man.
This is actually so fun. School walking down the hill here with a parade thing.
Oh yeah, shit.
Got a bunch of the wall.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah. I'm loving this, man. Hi. Yeah. He gave us the name, huh? Yeah. 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 Is that what you learning? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Now he should upload this to YouTube or some shit, man. Should he do that? Upload this to fucking YouTube? Yeah, we're getting this money for doing the shit. This is the guy who started it, so thank him.
I started it!
He's the co-founder.
Yeah.
And he's just here. He's just here. I have no clue who he is.
I did the first one.
If you guys want his full government name, I'll leak it if this video gets more than 10 likes. If this video gets more than 10 likes, I'll leak his full government name.
Stand behind us, guys.
Yes, I know your fucking name. I know how to say it, not fucking recording.
Just more than a million likes, I'll say that anyway.
He will. Trust him, we'll do it for free. Yeah!
Put the car down.
They're less likely to do it here because it's the main road. I'm not fucking... I've already gone down like 6%, but I'm 5 minutes into the video, so... Oh! Just followed Fiesta, man. Oh wait, there's a Mercedes. There's Ford Fiesta. Yeah. Ah. Man, he even came into us, man. Right, no, this
Okay, okay.
Guys, you want a tactic of what we do? We stand in the middle of the road and just do it. Honk, honk. You're still recording. Look, I'm about 6 minutes in.
Hello! Oh, shit, I put the N word a couple of times too.
Oh well. Like my one viewer on YouTube will know you as a racist.
Guys, I got.
Hello to my one viewer. Yeah, it is nice. Hey, at least they're recognising it. Wait, one last. Can we get one last honk?
Yeah.
How long until we can get our last one? I'm gonna end the video and we get our last one.
Yeah.
If we can get one more honk,
This one.
if our next car gets a honk, he will drop the N word.
Guys, I bet you 10 quid that this is the next one, is it? I bet you 10 quid.
Like and subscribe if this car will honk. Oh, he just hold the wanker sign up to us. Alright, no honks. So no N word from him.
No knit from me.
Yeah.